Every successful startup begins with a simple spark of inspiration. But how do you transform that light bulb moment into a thriving business? It's all about taking action and following a strategic process. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Validate your idea. You may think your idea is fantastic, but does the market agree? Conduct thorough market research, talk to potential customers, and identify any gaps or pain points your idea can address. It's crucial to have a deep understanding of your target audience and their needs. Step 2. Craft a solid business plan. Outline your goals, strategies, and financial projections. A well-crafted business plan not only helps you stay focused, but also attracts investors and partners who share your vision. Step 3. Build a rock-solid team. You can't do it alone. Surround yourself with talented individuals who share your passion. A diverse team brings different perspectives and expertise to the table. Step 4. Prototype and iterate. Transform your idea into a product or service. Build prototypes, gather feedback, and iterate until you have a refined offering that solves your customers' problems. Don't be afraid to pivot if necessary. Step 5. Secure funding. Turning your vision into reality requires financial support. Seek investors, apply for grants, or consider crowdfunding platforms. Just remember to create a compelling pitch that showcases your passion, market potential, and your team's capabilities. Entrepreneurship is a roller coaster ride filled with challenges and triumphs. But remember, even the most successful startups face obstacles along the way. Stay persistent, learn from failures, and celebrate your wins.
Thanks for watching. Are you ready to crush your trading goals in the stock, forex, and crypto markets with AI power? Visit KryptonTraders.com today and get a lifetime account for free.